Message of the day. You go to the dealership and you're on the used car lot. Salesperson comes out and says, how you doing? Well, what brings you in? Well, you know what brings me in. You know why I'm here on the lot. I'm looking for a car or thinking about one. And the salesperson says, well, do you have anything to trade in? And then you answer the question. And then the salesperson says to you, well, do you have any money on trade? And then the salesperson says to you again, how much you looking to spend? And then you answer the question. Then the salesperson says, well, how much money are you working with down? And then the salesperson says to you, well, what kind of payment you looking for? Did you just notice that salesperson asked you 4 or 5 questions in 5 minutes? Probably not even 5 minutes, in 10 minutes. Probably depends on how you answer. But they ask you all those questions. Don't let a salesperson ask you all those questions on the lot. Because you know what they're doing? They're qualifying you to see whether they're going to be wasting their time or not. Me, I don't want to talk to you on the lot. I don't. It's because I want you sitting down, looking in my face, and we having a conversation. And you telling me what your needs are and what your wants are. You got your needs in one column in your head or on paper, and you got your wants on this column. And then you have A, B, or C. If you don't have this vehicle, what's the second choice? What's your third choice? So, messages, don't let a salesperson qualify you on this car lot. Are you outside? Because that determines whether that salesperson, he's trying to figure out whether he's wasting his time and whether he has a qualified buyer or somebody that's kicking the curb or kicking the wheels, as we say, kicking the tires and wasting the salesperson time. All right, going on over to my YouTube channel. It's Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit. Go to Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit, and subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. See you on the next video.